this video, I'll show you how to add a slider in your Shopify Dawn theme. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials. Sliders are a great way to showcase multiple images or promotional banners, making your store visually appealing and engaging for visitors. Start at your Shopify homepage. On the left-hand menu, click Online Store. This takes you to the Themes section where all your site's design elements live. Locate the Dawn theme and click Customize. This opens the theme editor where you can add sections and tweak your homepage layout. In the editor panel on the left, click Add Section. In the search bar, type Slideshow and select it when it appears. A new slideshow section will now appear on your homepage preview. Click the section and on the right hand side, you will see options to add images. Click Select, then either upload images from your computer or choose from your Shopify library. Pick visuals that best represent your brand or promotions. Want to add more slides? Simply click Add Slide and repeat the process until your slideshow is complete and visually engaging. That's it. You've successfully added a slider to your Shopify Dawn theme, enhancing your store aesthetic and functionality. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Shopify.